Today I am back with a geometry dash tutorial actually. And when I say tutorial, this isn't something for like the good or like the veteran players of geometry dash. This is for the beginners. Like you've just bought the game and you found the editor and you want to build something, but you stumble across these over here. These are called gradients obviously, and they can be a bit confusing on what to use here and then how you can use them, especially for slopes and such. So I'm just gonna go over those very basic stuff, such as how you can use gradients to smoothen out your level, making slopes, or even making the infamous gradient star. So if you are a veteran player or you know how to build stuff using gradients, then this is not a video for you. But if you're an absolute beginner and you want to learn, then this can help you hopefully. Look here, there's a green block. Now, say you want to jump on this green block. It doesn't look too good if it's just by itself like that. It looks a bit plain and it doesn't fit with the background. Not that a bright green block would fit with a dark background, but you know what I mean. Now if you take a couple gradients, such as this, and we color it to the same color as it will look a lot better, as well as if we round it out using this rounding corner piece gradient. It looks so much better now, okay? And if we want to, we can just go ahead and change this whole entire color to something like purple, a slightly darker purple, and it looks pretty nice with the background. Just add a couple more details inside, maybe change the colors a bit to fit your background in your song, and it's nice. Another thing you could do with just gradients just as a basic is just to put them on the ground like this, and it can make the level look a bit more slicker, such as that, but I don't tend to do it that much. Next, we're gonna do slopes, okay? Now, if we go into the gradient tab right down here, these are all the gradients starting from here all the way until here. Now, if you see, there aren't any slope gradient, and I'm talking about them going upwards or diagonally. So we don't really have any gradients for blocks such as these. So if we really want to, this is how you're gonna do it. So you have your slope here. Maybe we'll put two of these just so that we can do it instead. And instead of just putting your gradients like this and turning on rotate and straight up just rotating it and putting it there, you wanna put out a line of gradients. So since this is 2, I think I'll put 3. It should be able to fit it. And we're just gonna change it to the color that we want, and we want to rotate this as a group, and you want to just get those pixels at the bottom just nice and straight. And you can get them nice and straight, they're gonna be at an angle. Now use mini steps, micro steps and such to get them perfectly placed, and you should be able to make a slope with it. And you really have to experiment around to see how this can fit your level. It sometimes may not actually give you the same effect that you want, such as there being holes here and all. Maybe you can fill it out with one of these gradients, like something like that. But yeah, you really have to experiment a lot with them, and then you maybe even find a style that suits you. So now, I'm sure you guys have seen these gradient stars that are normally angled to a side, put on, I don't know, a weird color channel, and then they turn on blending. I'll tell you a second why you should turn on blending soon. And you'll forget something as nice like this. But you'll normally see this in like older 2.0 levels, and some now actually. I'm gonna teach you guys how to make it. This is the most basic star there is. Well, this isn't the most basic, but it is very basic. So for this one here, that isn't as nice as this. Okay, I'll get to this soon. I like this more. Okay, this is the most basic one. All you're gonna do is go ahead and take some 3D lines. Okay, so take this or anything that you want and just lay them out. Copy and paste them into star shape. Maybe get them nice. No, actually don't do that. So keep it like this. Okay, one line. Okay, now take your gradient and just nicely align it using mini steps to the line of just line them up to the 3D line, and make sure you do it on both sides, and then take the corner piece and round it off. You may not want to round it off but I mean, it's your level, you make it how you want. Just trying to help. Okay, so once you have this, just select it all, copy and paste it, and turn it, and you have the regular star. Now you may want to change it to one of your another color, so let's just do this. We'll change it to a nice cyan or whatever, light blue. But I'm not gonna lie, this is nice, but it's not as nice as this because this is a nice glow. Now this is where blending comes in, and blending is very useful when it comes to gradients. It really makes the gradients stand out, especially if you want to make it like lights or stuff. Make sure to turn on blending, which is here underneath the color channel. So once you do that, it should appear like this. Give or take, I'm not sure what happened to this, but yeah, work like this. Now, for this on the other hand, this isn't actually made with 3D lines, and if you see, put blending on this, it looks about the same but slightly nicer because it right at the corners they tend to fade out slightly. So now, how to make this? This is much easier. It's actually, if you're going by objects, this is cheaper than this. All you're going to do is put down your line of gradients, okay? So we're just gonna put down the same like what we did here. So a line of gradients with the corner pieces, and I'm just gonna quickly copy and paste that so that I can save a bit of time. And there you go. Okay, so now since we have it like this, now what? We're gonna select a half, and we're just gonna do one mini step, which is this one here. We're just gonna do that, and you see how they overlap? There you go, you have your line. So now just copy and paste this and flip it around, and you have your line like this. And once you put it on blending, then you can make it like a light. Very simple, very easy, and very cheap. And once you have one, you can copy and paste it around, use rotations, make them really nice. Make sure to use free move if you really want to get them nice. There you go. And I guarantee you your level is going to look quite nice. In all honesty, this doesn't even scratch the surface of what you can do with gradients. You can make a lot of stuff with gradients as well as enhancing your level. You can make matte effects with them and making your level looks extremely smooth. But yeah, that's all for this video, and I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye and thanks for watching.